Yeah, today I'm going to do a review on my lunchbox. It's right here. It's made by High Speed Daddy or something like that. I think they make tactical baby shit for dads that used to be Green Berets or some crazy crap like that. I think this one's important because past year lunch pill saved me like $5 grand from eating out. Let's get down to it. It's Ranger Green. It has Molly on the back. It's got a patch panel on the front, which is, I'm not into patches or collecting them. You know, you got the thing here for your Tapatio, because I put that shit on everything. It's got these little doodads, you know, pockets on the side, pocket here. It's not too big on the inside. Actually, it's smaller than my other Igloo that was badass. But, you know, you can drop some Tupperware in there and you're good to go. I just want to talk about saving money. If you make dinner at nighttime, you can eat that the next day at work. If you don't have a microwave, I get that. That kind of sucks. But if you want to save money, don't be weak. Here's my dog. I've been working here for a year. This is the first time that I have gone this long. I mean, in a year I haven't gone out for lunch one time. Saved a tremendous amount of money. That has helped me purchase my piece of land. Yeah, I mean, just being thrifty and frugal in your day-to-day life makes a huge difference. It doesn't seem like, oh, it's only $10. It's not going to make a big deal. It's going to make a huge deal. I'm applying all these things that you hear from Dave Ramsey, or I read Mr. Money Mustache's blog. He's a badass as well. If you call Dave Ramsey, the first thing he's going to say is, better than I deserve. And then right after that, he's going to be like, are you eating out? And you'll be like, yeah, I eat out every day for lunch. He's like, holy shit, you're a moron. You should step into traffic. If you're trying to get your finances in order, stop eating out. You can buy property. You can move out into the country. You could do all this shit, but it's so easy to basically wallow in your own filth and feel bad for yourself. I mean, I've done it, eating out every day, drinking excessively, and drinking's a big thing too. If you get fucked up every night, you're not gonna make dinner. If you don't make dinner, you're not gonna have leftovers. And when you're hungover, you don't want to make a sandwich first thing in the morning and on your hour commute to work because you work in some fucking mega city. That's where the money's at. That's what I'm doing right now. Not shitting on you, but it's a means to an end. Gotta do it. I get that. But stop getting fucked up every night. Make dinner. You'll have leftovers for lunch. You're gonna save money. And I think I worked like 260 something days in the past year. That's $2,600 if it's a $10 meal. And we know right now with inflation and everything else, there's no such thing as a $10 meal. You're spending like $15, probably $20. You know, you're gonna go there, you get a Monster, you're gonna get a can of Chew, you're gonna get a couple cheeseburgers, a candy, you know, all the bullshit. But, and oh yeah, also, if you're not making a lunch, you're probably not eating a breakfast either. So when you get gas on your way to work, you're getting a Monster, you're getting a candy bar, or a protein bar, or fucking whatever. That shit adds up, dude. $5 I bet you spend on food, not including dinners. That's just breakfast and lunch. That in 1 year, $5 I mean, that's probably a down payment on a piece of property. Get yourself some chickens, nice little house, settle down. I mean, a lot of you may not be watching me for that, but I've had a lot of people reach out that I've inspired them from my few videos talking about what me and my fiance Leanne are doing. I'm just rambling right now. The video about a lunchbox review was an idea, and I didn't really know where I was going to go with it, but on the subject of money and how we got here, because I'm sure a year from now I'm going to get asked, how the hell does a guy your age have 60 acres? It's from hard work, dedication, making sacrifices. Anyways, stay motivated, guys and girls. Stay hungry, pay off your debts, save your money, stop eating out, and start a homestead, because it's getting down to crunch time. And you know, BlackRock and everything else, it's going to be hard. It's going to be hard to come across this type of lifestyle if you don't start establishing it right now. So do what's important to you. If that's not important, great, you don't have to do that, but stop eating out. Buy yourself a lunch pail, save money, stop fucking throwing your money away, and let's get to it.